Hello and welcome to this setup and customization video for SecureDrive BT. In this video, we will be covering how to set up password recovery. To enable password recovery, open the app and unlock your drive. Tap the drive name to access settings. Tap on the password recovery button. Read the password recovery message and then tap continue. Enter your mobile phone number and then tap continue. Now, you'll confirm your mobile number. Wait for a text message and enter the confirmation code you've received. Your password recovery is now enabled. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you still have questions, give us a call toll-free at 1-800-875-3230 or visit our website at www.securedrive.com.